Good morning. I've got 2 packages in. I thought I'd share them with you and then I'd get this mustache all styled up. First package is a hat. Check that out. Thank you so much for the hat. Ooh, that fits nice. Second package is some mustache wax. Oh, sticker got a little bent. So I'm going to show you how I apply mustache wax for the first time. Clean, dry mustache, no oils or balms, as mustache wax is oil soluble. If you put that in, the mustache wax will not firm up. It'll stay kind of gummy. I use a hairdryer and a brush to give my hair a little bit of direction. It makes it a little bit easier for me to style my mustache. Alrighty, you can see that I've kind of given it some kind of direction. It's aligned the hairs a little bit. I also like to take a comb, give it a once over. This helps also to align those hairs. Shroom Groom mustache wax. A lot of waxes come with a guitar pick. You can scrape it out. I like to use my thumb though. Pretty firm at room temperature. Looks like it's got some pine rosin in it. I'm going to heat this up just a little bit. About 15 to 20 seconds, I should soften it up. Oh yeah, that's much softer now. I've coated my fingers. Now I'm going to go from the center outward. Has a pleasant smell to it. Shedding is a normal part of the process. You can lose a couple hairs, that's not bad. You don't want to feel yanking though. If you're feeling yanking, the wax is not as pliable as you should have it. Second pass, coat the fingers. I go from the middle outward. I found this works the best to hold the mustache wax throughout the day because as you breathe and talk, that can start to loosen the mustache up from there. Looking good. Coat the fingers. It's good and pliable. Center outwards. Transfer it from my fingers into my mustache. And it's always good to kind of clean up your hands so that you don't get a whole lot of wax buildup. That can make your hands really, really sticky or tacky. And as you're making adjustments, your hand can stick and pull it apart. Okay, coat the fingers, rub it to make it warm. This makes it more pliable. Coating it on the fingers helps transfer into the mustache. Always go back to the middle. And then I take it and make my way out. And I call this the pinch and slide. I'm sliding my fingers down as I'm pinching, and you can see the wax is transferring from my hand into the mustache. I'm gonna now take my comb and just kind of go through it a little bit to align some of those hairs, straighten them out, both sides. So I've kind of got a base shape down. I've got 2 passes in each side. I'm going to give it about 5 minutes to firm up. Then I'm going to come back and start adding a little more from the center outwards and finalize the shaping. Alrighty, I gave it about 5 minutes to firm up. I got to put a little more wax starting right about here to grab these guys up. Going right back to the middle. Put a little more out on the ends. There we go. Now a little more on this side. Start in the middle. Grab those hairs up. Pinch and slide. Make it out towards the end. Look at that. Coming together. Some finishing touches. Pushing it together. Just shaping the ends a little bit as it starts to firm up, I found can really help. Stop growling, stomach. Take a step back and then definitely look in the mirror. Well, I think the mustache looks pretty good. Thank you so much to the Shroom Groom for the mustache wax to try out. Thank you so much for Black and Gold for this awesome, awesome hat. I hope you guys maybe learned something. If not, hit me up in the comments. I will try to answer. I'm Bob, and this, of course, is Elliot Norris, my mustache, wishing you a wonderfully bearded day. That's it. Filming's done. Get out of here.